Divide 62 into two parts such that one-fourth part of the first and two-fifth part of the second are in the ratio 2:3. Find the value of the first part. Now, let's assume the two parts to be A and B. So from the first part of the question, we can get that A plus B is equal to 62. Now A is the first part, so one-fourth part of the first. So that means A upon 4 upon two-fifth part of the second. So 2B upon 5. This ratio is given to us as 2/3. Now, if we cross multiply, it becomes 3A upon 4 is equal to 4B upon 5. Now, we can say that A is equal to 4B upon 5 multiplied by 4/3. That is 16B upon 15. Now, if we substitute this value of A in the first equation, we will have 16B upon 15 plus B is equal to 62. So therefore, if we add this, it becomes 16B plus 15B upon 15, that is 31B upon 15 is equal to 62. So 31 twos are 62. So therefore, B comes out as 30. Now, if we substitute this value of B in the first equation, we will get the value of A as 32. So that will be our answer, option D, 32.